All right, now we're checking out the homework. This is P189, Chapter 11, Lesson 3. All right, so number 2, we have to find the area of 3 rectangles. So we need to find the area of this front. And remember, once we find the area of the front, we multiply it by 2 because there is a front and a back, and the front and the back have the same area. Okay, so I like to shade that in so I can see what I'm looking at. So this is 3.5 by this line is 6 inches. So 6 times, or I could say 3.5 times 6. Okay. That's going to give me the area of the front, and then I multiply that by 2 to get the area of the front and the back. Okay, I'm going to erase my work. You never need to. Just get more scratch paper. All right, then we also need to find the area of this right side, so this rectangle here. And once we find the area of this rectangle, we're also going to multiply this by 2 because there is a right side of the box and a left side of the box. So we want to include the area of the left side and the right side of the box. So this rectangle is 4 by 6. So 4 times 6. Get that answer, and then multiply it by 2 because there is a right side and a left side. So you'll get that answer. I'm going to erase my work. You never erase your work. And then lastly, we need to get the area of the top and the bottom. So lastly, I am going to find the area of this rectangle up here. I can see. And this rectangle, this line right here is going to be 3.5 inches, and this line right here is 4. So 3.5 times 4, you're going to get that answer, and then multiply it by 2 because there is a top and a bottom. And then you're going to take the sum, you're going to take the total for each one of those and add them all up to get your total surface area. Okay. All right, let's look at number 3. Now number 3 is a little easier because it is a cube. All the sides are the same length. So we find the area of one side, and we have instantly found the area of all the sides. So 9 by 9, that's 81. There's 6 sides. This is going to be your final answer. That one's nice and easy. Okay, number 4. For this one, we have 5 sides. We have this triangle here. And that's going to have the exact same measurements as this triangle back here. So think of this as front and back. And remember, our if we erase real quick, this is our height and this is our base because this is where our squared sign is. So I use these 2 numbers to multiply to find the area of the triangle. And since there's 2, I could do the area of this triangle 1/2 of 48 because 6 times 8 is 48, and then half of that would be 24. But since there's 2, they're both 24, so you're right back to that 48. So the area of this triangle is 24. This one's also 24 for a total of 48 for the 2 triangles. And then you have 3 rectangles you need to find the area of. Okay, you have this rectangle here, which is 6 by 12. So you're going to do 12 times 6. You're going to get that measurement. Then you also have this very bottom here. Okay, and this is 10 by 12. So you're going to do 12 times 10. and get that answer. Now you don't have to multiply by 2 because this isn't a rectangular prism. It doesn't, the top and the bottom don't measure the same thing. But then we also do need to get the measurements of this rectangle. Okay, so this line is going to have the same length as this line. They're both 12. And then this line is going to have the same length as this line, which is 8. So you're going to do 12 times 8. So you're going to take 48 plus this number, plus this number, plus this number, and that will give you your final answer. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.